Here's a pair of these Soundcore P31i earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Samsung Smart TV via Bluetooth. So first thing, let's go ahead and take the earbuds out of the case. You can take them out and put them directly in the ear, or you can just lay them to the side. I'm just going to hold these to the side here. And now once they're out of the case, next thing is go to your Samsung TV, go directly to your settings. You can click on the settings button in your remote. If you don't have one, just navigate to the home page, click on the home button on the remote, and just move over to the left. And then you want to navigate down to settings. Make sure all settings is highlighted, select that. Now on the left pane here, you want to go down to sound right there. Let's select that. And it says sound output is currently coming out of my TV speakers, but we want it to come out of these. So let's select sound output. From here, we're going to go down one to Bluetooth speaker list. Select that. Now you can see I have a bunch of other headphones and earbuds paired to this TV here, but we want to pair and connect these right now. So we're going to go down. You see that thing that says searching is searching for devices that's in pairing mode that is near me, which is like 30 feet Bluetooth range or so. And it did find the P31i right down there, and it says needs pairing. Highlight it. Let's select it. Let's pair and connect now. And voila, I just heard the connecting chime, and it says connected right there as well. So we're connected, ready to go. Now, if you had any kind of issues pairing or connecting these, you can always factory reset these earbuds. If you need to do that, look for that link below in the description area.